Hello, everyone. It is Crooked Man. I can't get the thing. Frustrating. There, that's much better. So, yeah, right now, the wind is blowing. It's just a little rainy here. A lot of rain, actually. Hey, let's go downstairs. Margie TV! No, it's more like Margie! 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 I'm only kidding. Margie TV. Okay, none of that. No more. Tweenie, my love. Ooh. All right, let's go downstairs. Action gal, what's going on? Look, I made a mess. So, welcome to day 2. Yeah, man, it's chilly out. So cold. In the rain. At least everything's all protected and everything. So, gutters look okay. I mean, everything looks fine. So, it's not like it's pouring off the sides or anything. So, cold. Yeah, so shout out to everyone. Shout out to everybody. Hope everyone's doing good. Hopefully, I'll still be able to upload this. Rebel Rocker! So, hey, Diesel Wolf. I hope you're doing okay. Everything's going well for you. So, Wayne's, I don't know what you call your Wayne's Adventure, Wayne's TV. I don't know anymore. I don't see you anymore. I don't even see you at Margie TV anymore. You used to be around. So that's what's going on. Now, all right, let's go look out the front window. I'm cold. And who wants a banana? Maybe later. Yeah. Just regular rain today. We'll see what tomorrow is like. Oh. This weekend is supposed to get more crazier, so shout out to Sunny Stormy. Meow, 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 meow. Hope you're doing good. The rain. Hey, rain. Shout out to rain. Dang it. I never did take a picture of that. Well, I did get yeah, I guess I did take a picture, but not the way I wanted to. So it's 2 in the afternoon, and this is what the weather is like. So what do you do on a day like this? You either color a picture, or watch a movie, or support somebody on YouTube as long as the internet connection is working, right? Shout out to Samara Yusuf. So, well, I got more short videos coming up, and that's what I'll be doing. But I just wanted to give you an update of what's happening. Wow, look at that. 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 Look, 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 look. Look at that. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Look at it. Look at it. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Wow. That's awesome. Gotta love it. Man, look, look, look. Look at that face. Look at that face. Oh, look how gorgeous that she is. Ooh. What's underneath? What's underneath? Dun 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 dun. Yes. A good old day. It's Margie TV. Yeah, I still got more I gotta do. So we'll just put that back over here. Gotta print out some more, so let's put all this stuff back. You gotta go on the table. Well, Mom wants to keep everything organized, so with that said, I thought you might get a kick out of that. All right. Well, I'll see you in my next upload. Stay awesome, everyone. And I'll see you in my next upload.